Hello kids, today we learn the alphabet letter. First of all, we learn the colors name. Black color, black color, blue color, blue color, green color, red color. First letter is A. A for apple. We are coloring the given letters. After the given, we will write the missing letters. C for cake. C for cake. A for fish. A for fish. We are coloring the letter F. F. H. H. H for house. H for house. After the A, which is next letter, the next letter is B. Which letter after the A and before the C? The letter E. After the C, next letter is D. Which next letter after D? E. Before the F, the letter is E. Before H, letter G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.